Hey guys, it's Monty, and today we're gonna play Schoolboy Runaway. I heard that, hold on one second. Okay, so I heard that this game, hold on one second. Alright, I'm tired of being interrupted. Alright, so, basically, I heard this game's supposed to be really hard, but I heard that if you ring the doorbell so many times, apparently it gets easier. I'm not going to spoil anyone that's played it, so I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about. But apparently, you can do something with the doorbell that's actually quite insane. So I want to see if that's true. Alright, she didn't say anything, but she's going. Okay, yeah, she's starting to get mad. That's what I heard. That, she's gonna start getting mad and running faster. That's what I heard.
I'll show you.
Yeah, you can tell by her voice she's not happy. Do you think she'll notice that?
If I move while crouching, my parents won't hear me.
Alright, I'm gonna see what's in here. Wait, what happened? Oh, she noticed that.
Where did you go?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Get up! Help me find our son! That cockroach is hiding somewhere again.
Satan in the closet.
Oh, I should wait. He sounds very close by. This is like very long. Okay, so I ended up in, like, the wardrobe somehow. So I guess that's their room. Alright, I do not need the volume that high. Oh, yep, this theory might be true, because she's starting to get really mad.
Just kick the ball already!
Oh, she really streaked that time.
See, you can do it! Why don't you always play like this, huh?
Okay, I'm starting to not... I'm not sure if it's true, because... Like, because she keeps getting mad, but she hasn't done anything yet. So I'm not 100% sure if this is true, but the mad part seems to be.
I would show them how it's done!
Show you.
Alright. I hope I didn't break the game.
No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me.
Alright. Okay.
Who's that name out there?
Huh, the neighbors are gonna think she's a psycho. This is just funny.
Who needs me there anyway?
The person never well, not a person, but yeah, I heard, like, a rumor, though, that if you keep ringing the doorbell, like, she, like, I don't know, she does something, but all she's doing is just running to the gate and screaming. They did say I had to do it, like, 20 times or something. See, I don't really know what's gonna happen, but I hope that does happen. I'll keep doing it, and if it's still, like, not happening after a long time, then I'll just give up, and we'll play this another day, and then I'll actually try to escape one of the different routes. You're not showing anybody anything by just standing there. The only thing you're showing them is that you're crazy.
I told them.
No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me.
I would show them how it's done.
Yeah, well, he's talking to the TV, but go, like, do whatever. Like, do what you're supposed to be doing. I don't even know what she's supposed to do, but she's supposed to do something crazy. Alright. I've lost track of how many times I've rang the doorbell. They're not gonna stop until they do whatever you're going to do.
I would show. Here we go again.
No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me.
Alright. Oh, she did it! I was not expecting that. It's true.
Come here!
Okay, so I'm supposed to run this way, I think. Oh, I did it! I escaped. Okay. Well, that was actually very interesting. I don't know what to say. I actually was starting to think the theory was fake or whatever, but hey, it only took me 14 minutes. In the game, obviously. Because I paused a lot, but that's not so bad. Anyways, yeah. I might play this again and escape a different way. But until then, see ya. Bye.